teach you about brown anoles. Let's go! The brown anole, it's also a lizard. They came from Cuba. This is a male because he has a dewlap.
Hi, I'm Isaac, and now I'm going to teach you about an osprey nest right over here. Come, let's go see it. Here, look, there's the osprey nest. Look, under his wings there's a little baby head. It's an osprey, and their weight is just 3.1 pounds. Their incubation is 32 through 43 days. 32 through 48 days. And the dad osprey can see a fishy from 30 to 100 feet above the water. Their wingspan is 58 through 72 inches. And they actually grab the little fishies on their sharp claws and then bring it to the mama osprey and little babies. Actually, they lay 3 babies, but this one has laid 4. And they are migratory birds. And then the final thing is that the babies stay in the nest, that they actually stay in the nest 48 through 59 days. That's it for today.